These door sill pans are kind of weird. First time using one really. Honestly, next time I think I'll make my own out of metal. It's up higher than the threshold. But what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna trim it with a razor. And then I'm gonna come back through on the top, and polyurethane is my favorite kind of sealant. So I'm gonna use some Master Seal polyurethane for here. This is actually gonna be really hard since it's PVC. As you can see, I'm cutting down at an angle so that when I come in here with my polyurethane, it'll actually fill in, not because otherwise you'll see this sticking above. Alright, we're about to run the polyurethane in here. As you can see, I got it taped because that's as far as I want it to go. I'm actually going to tool it on. I usually use my finger, but I don't want it concaved. Soapy rag here, dry rag here. Always wipe off onto dry and get it wet. Like I said, there's going to be way too much on here, but that's okay. What I'm doing right now is I'm pressing it into the crack. Because this is a walking surface, it's going to be used a lot. So what I'm doing is I'm going to pull the tape. And of course it does leave it raised a little bit. And there we have it. Perfect line. It's nice and smooth. I mean, when you're really close and it's reflecting, you can see little imperfections. But once I paint it, I'm going to paint it up to the threshold there. And I just want to add that I'm actually doing this as I'm going home right now, because it takes so long to dry. You can't do anything because a bunch of stuff will stick to it. Yes, this finished pretty nice. I like it. Really nice transition here.